In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract zip files on your PC. The first method I'm going to show you is how to extract files using Windows Explorer. And the second method is how to extract zip files using WinRAR. Open up File Explorer, go to where your zip file is located, right click on it, go to Extract All, choose where you want it to be extracted. I'm going to choose Desktop so you can see. Click on Select Folder and click on Extract. You see, test folder here has been created. Let's click on it and you see the photos have been extracted. Now, if you want to do it using WinRAR, again, open up File Explorer, go to where your zip file is located, go to Show More Options, and under Open With, select WinRAR Archiver. Click on the zip file, go to Extract To, select where you want it to be extracted. I'm going to choose Desktop, click on OK. And as you can see, the test folder has again been created. Let's see. Yep. The files or photos have been extracted. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.